Hey y'all, I'm Alex. Today I'm going to go over 3 different types of movement that you should train if you're a Taekwondo athlete. Now let's get started. So for each different type of movement I'm going to go over today, I'm going to give you 1 footwork drill and 1 kicking drill. The first movement we're going to go over is going to be fast twitch and speed. So for your footwork drill, all I want you to do is stay on your toes. You're going to do 2 slides going forward and 2 going back. When you do this, you have to stay on your toes, stay light on your feet, and make sure that the slides are really small. Almost think like it's choppy. So it goes 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just really small and nice and choppy. That's going to be your footwork drill. For the kicks, all you're going to practice is doubles and triples. This is really good because it's focused on speed, getting those hips over, and really flicking those feet out. So for the double, looks like this, and then triple looks like this. Alright, just like that. The footwork drill, practice doubles, practice triples for your fast twitch and speed. Next, we're going to go over power and explosiveness. So for your footwork drill, it's really simple. All you're going to do is a slide forward, and then you're going to step forward. So this one's more of like a hard step, kind of focus a little bit more, almost like if you were throwing a kick, but instead you're doing a step. So from here, slide, boom, step. And then kind of just reset, slide, step. Okay, really kind of work on exploding off and then really turning those hips over on the step. Now, for the kicking drill, you're going to do a back leg roundhouse kick. You're going to go 1, 2, and then 3. So it's going to look like this. 1, then you're going to do 2. 1, 2, and then you're going to do 3. 1, 2. Just like that. Focus a little bit more on power over speed. And the last movement we're going to go over is more of focusing on staying more relaxed and then at the end kind of doing a whip or a snap. Now for the footwork drill, we're just going to focus more on relaxing. This is something that can be kind of difficult to get used to, so it's something you need to practice. So from here, all I want you to do is just bounce in your fighting stance and do some checks and motions. So from here, just really focus on keeping your upper body relaxed, kind of relax your legs a little bit, just kind of just move around. Work on checks, motions. You don't want to be up here bouncing too much or too jittery. Just kind of be more relaxed, more fluid, just kind of moving around and stepping. That's all I want you to do to work on the footwork part. Now, for the kicking part, we're just going to practice roundhouse kicks to the body and then to the head, focusing on coming up slow and then releasing and snapping at the end. So it'll look kind of like this. Kind of snapping at the end, go to the body, and then practice some to the head. Okay, just kind of different way to practice your kicks. Come up slow and then release and snap at the end. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Make sure to let me know what else you want to see in the comments down below. Don't forget to subscribe, like us on Facebook, follow me on Instagram, and if you guys want to train with me online, visit alexwongtkd.com for more information. Thank you all so much for watching the video. I'll see you guys later.